Hi, good morning to one and all. Today I am going to explain the construction of involute of a circle.
For this, the problem given that
Draw the involute of a circle of 40 mm diameter. Also draw a tangent and normal to the curve at a point 95 mm from the center of a circle. Okay, for this first we need to draw the circle with given diameter 40 mm. Okay, to draw the circle by using compass, take the radius. Here diameter they given that 40, so that with radius 20 draw the circle. Okay, we draw a circle. Next, divide this circle into number of equal parts. Divide this circle into number of equal parts. That is, I taken the number of equal parts is 8 parts. Now I divided the circle into 4 equal parts. Next, I want to divide the circle into 8 parts, so that place the protractor at center of the circle. Next, measure 45 degrees from left and right side. Mark on 45 degrees point to the left and right side. Next, join these points from center of the circle. Now we divided the circle into 8 equal parts. Okay, now we divided the circle into 8 equal parts. Okay, it is the point P, and this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this one is 8. Okay, these are the points. Next, we need to draw the tangent or perpendicular for every line at this point. Suppose it is the O1. Draw the perpendicular to the O1 at point 1. Next, draw the perpendicular to the 2. Draw the perpendicular to the second line. Next, similarly for 3 and 7. Next, for 4 and 8. Sorry, left side, no? Next, draw the perpendicular to the line 0.5. Next, draw the perpendicular to the 6th. Okay, now we completed all the tangents. Okay, Next, by using compass, now we need to divide this line into 8 equal parts. Here the length of the line is pi d. Before division we need to calculate the value, that is pi into d. Pi into the diameter is 40. We get the value is 125.66. 125.66. Divide, measure this line 125.6. Okay, it is the line. We need to divide this line into 8 equal parts by using line division method. Okay, I'm taking 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is the 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. Next, join this point and last point by tightening this knob. Draw the parallel lines from every point so that this line is divided into 8 equal parts. Here we divided the circle into 8 equal parts, so that this length of the line also we need to divide into 8 equal parts. 8 dash, 7 dash, 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash, 3 dash, 2 dash, 1 dash. Okay. Next, by using compass, measure point P to 1 dash. P to 1 dash. Cut this line. One line will get point. That point is known as P1. Okay. Next, similarly, sorry ma, this mistake. Measure P to 1 dash distance. 1 as center. Cut this line. Okay. Cut this line from P to 1 dash distance. Cut this 1 as center. Cut this line. We'll get the point. This point is known as P1. Next, similarly measure from P to 2 dash. P to 2 dash. 2 as center. Cut this line. 2 as center. Cut this line. This point is known as P2. Next, similarly measure P to 3 dash. P to 3 dash. 3 as center. 3 as center. Cut this line. We'll get point P3. Next, similarly measure from point P to 4 dash as distance. Okay. 4 as center. Cut this line. We'll get point. It is P4. Next, measure distance from P to 5. P to 5 dash. 5 as center. Cut this line. We'll get point. That point is known as P5. Next, measure distance from P to 6 dash. 6 as center. Cut this line. We'll got one point. That point is known as P6. Next, measure distance from P to 7 dash. 7 as center. Cut this line. We'll get one intersection point. That point is known as P7. Next, measure P to 8 dash. Okay, it is the point. This one is known as P8. Now join all the points from P to P8. From P to P8. Okay, now we completed involute of a circle. Okay, now we need to draw the tangent and normal to the curve at a point 95 mm from the center. Okay, measure distance by using compass. Take length as 95. Okay, O as center. Cut this arc. Okay, it cuts at one point. It is the M. Okay, from this point we need to draw the arc. Here draw join O to M. Okay, measure. It is the distance of 95. Okay, next locate the midpoint of 95 to draw the semicircle. 47.5, 45, 46, 47, 47.5. It is the midpoint of this line. Therefore, O1 as center, O1M as radius. Draw one semicircle. Draw one semicircle. Okay, the semicircle touches this circle at one point. This point is known as T. Next, join T to this point is known as N. Join N and M will get normal to the curve. Next, draw the perpendicular to this normal at point M will get tangent. It is the tangent. Okay, now we need to give the dimension for the tangent and normal and circle. Here the circle radius is 95 mm. Next, the diameter of the circle is 40 mm. The diameter of the circle is 40 mm. Okay, next from this point to the end point, the length is pi d. The length is pi d. That equals to 125.66. Pi means diameter is 40 mm. Okay, like this we need to draw the involute for a given circle. Okay, observe, this is the problem. Okay, and it is involute for circle. Okay, thanks for watching.